How to delete messages on IMO. Need to remove messages from your IMO chat. It's really straightforward. Let's walk through it together. First things first, let's open the IMO app. It's right over here. Let's tap on it. Once you're inside it, you'll be directed to the chat section, and this is how the chat section look like. Now, what you have to do is simply tap on the specific chat conversation where the message you want to delete is located. For example, I want to delete the messages in this one. Okay, once you're inside and you have located the message that you want to delete, simply tap on it. And there you can see an option for the delete. It's right over here, just between the star and the share icon. Simply tap on it. And that will provide you with an option or the choice if you want to delete it for me or if you want to delete for everyone. Delete for me means the message will disappear only from your view. The other person will still see it on their end. Delete for everyone removes the message from both your chat and the recipient's chat. Just remember, there's often a short time limit for this option, so it works best shortly after you have seen the message. So I have seen this message on the August 20 and today it's September 6, so we may not be able to see the process, but let's see. Let's choose the option called delete for me. Simply tap on it. And it's deleted, so it is working even if it had been a time. Wasn't that easy? Give it a try next time you need to tidy up your emo chats. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amusing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.